Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm going to take you through a couple of tasks in a pipeline, the metadata and the if condition. Um, this has been put together as I was asked a question on running a pipeline. Um, Now, the user wanted to check if a directory existed, um, and if it didn't exist, to not have the pipeline fail. So that's where the if condition comes in. So we've set this up here. We've got get metadata. Let me just move over there. Um, we've set up a very simple pipeline where we've got a get metadata task. Obviously, a very useful task if we want to, let's say, check a CSV, find out the structure of it, count the columns, etc. So very briefly here, we're pointing to the lakehouse and a folder in the bronze lakehouse for Dataverse, and we did have an account.csv file in there. So I've set to delimited text because it's a CSV, and the only field list that we want is does it exist at this point. When you use it, you might want the first argument to be exists, and then to have all of the other child outputs as well. So I've just got the exist so that the if function works, and within the if condition, in the activities, I have set the output to output.exists. So this will be a Boolean result, true or false, and you can find it down here, get metadata exists. So add that in, and then all we need to do is populate the true and false with the tasks that we want to do. So in this situation, I've just got a set variable. If it's true, then state true. But obviously, you can change that to give the child output or the column count, whatever you need. And false, we just leave blank. So if that doesn't exist, if the directory that you're pointing to doesn't exist, or the file hasn't been exported, those kind of things, then we've just got blank for false, which will still give us a successful pipeline because everything's run as expected, except here, when the file didn't exist, we've gone to false. So there's nothing that's happened. And if we go back to the artifact for the successful run that we had, I had in true, we had set variable. So that has been done, and we've set the variable to true. Okay, so that is metadata and using an if condition to make sure that your pipeline succeeds. Thank you.